Brenda with Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to our home. Today we're going to make some buns. Keto friendly buns. We're going to have some barbecue pulled pork for supper, and I wanted to serve them on rolls. I already have 168 grams of shredded mozzarella and 4 ounces of cream cheese melted and mixed together in my bowl. And over here we have 4.5 ounces of almond flour. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon, no, let's do a tablespoon, sorry. Tablespoon of baking powder. I know it seems like a lot, but you gotta get them to rise, right? So in goes that. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in there. I don't think it'll be a problem. Let me move my scale over out of the way. Digital scale is a good idea if you're doing low carb or keto, because a lot of your recipes are gonna ask that you measure them out. We're gonna put in half a teaspoon of rosemary. I think I'm just going to put a 1/4 in though, because that is very, very fragrant. So we're going to go with 1/4. And I'm going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder in. Just like that. Now, what we're going to do, let me get these out of the way, and then of course almond flour, but what we're going to do is we're going to mix these two in together. I have an egg that I'm going to add to my cheese. Once I get all this well combined, I'm going to put it in the fridge and leave it in there for about 30 minutes. Incorporate the two, and I'm probably going to go with the good old hands here. I'm going to put just a little bit of olive oil on my hand so that it doesn't stick so bad. Just like that. Now, let's get this mixed in together. But we'll cover it with some plastic wrap, just the top of it, you know. You don't have to wrap it up fully, because it's just going to sit in there. Give it 30 minutes for us to handle the dough and let this get set up really good and workable, so it will be workable. There's that. Okay, and there's what it looks like. We're just going to cover it up with some plastic wrap. Just a loose cover. You don't have to do anything like super tight. We're just going to do it like that. Then we're going to pop it over here in the fridge for about 30 seconds. And then I'll be back with you. Alright, we're going to quarter our dough, roll it into a ball, put it on our parchment paper, and we're going to bake it in a 350 degree preheated oven. Make sure you preheat it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Roll it around. You don't have to grease your hands or anything, because it's got all the oils from the cheese in there now. See, so it won't stick so much. Let's get all that goodness out of there, what do you say? We'll make that one just a wee bit bigger. Go. Nice little bun shape. I'm going to piddle with them here for a second and see if I can't make them look a little more like a bun. Didn't go quite right on my sizes. They're a little off. Probably should have weighed them out, but I didn't. So, we're going to pop this in the oven. And then we'll be back in about 10 to 15 minutes. Look at there. Don't those look good? They smell good. Hopefully they'll taste good. Wow. There's some weight to those too. My goodness. Let's see if they're done. That's the big question. Ooh, that's a little on the hot side. Obviously, it just came out of the oven. I think they need to. Well, it's just the cheese. The cheese is nice, and I tell you what, I'm gonna put them back in the oven for about 10 more minutes, guys. Okay, I got these back out of the oven. I actually cut them open and broiled them because they were just really doughy inside, and that did seem to help. So let's make a sandwich. How about it? Let's get a nice pulled pork sandwich going. How about that? You like it? Smells delicious. Okay. And that, my friends, is supper. As far as the rolls go, I would make them smaller, slice them in half, smash them down a little bit, and bake them. This is twice now I've tried this recipe, and I wasn't pleased with it at all the first time. And they're a little bit better this time, but I need to work on them some more. But you all take care. I'm gonna go have supper. Yeah, Tom's gonna eat too. Y'all take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye.